Hi guys, welcome to the Quiz Network. There are 3 exciting levels including numbers, letters, emojis and math questions. In this video, total 40 questions. Time limit 10 seconds for each puzzle. Every correct answer equal to 1 point. Thanks for sharing your score and feedback on the previous video. We have truly appreciate your support. Now, are you ready for this challenge? Let's begin with some easy level. Guys, can you find the odd number among S? Awesome, you find it the odd number 5. Ready for the next challenge? Find the odd alien within 10 seconds. You are really sharp eyes. You find it the odd alien. Are you smarter than your friend? Find the odd letter within time. Yes, you are smart. You find it the odd letter P. This challenge will track your eyes. Find the odd number. You are a number ninja master. You find it the odd number. Do not blink and find the odd bullseye. Yes, you did it. You find it the odd Disney horse. Find the odd one letter if you are a genius. Yes, you are a genius. You find it the odd letter. Challenge your brain now. Find the odd number within time. Amazing work. This one is the odd number. Test your IQ with these puzzles. Find the odd buzz lighter. Congratulations, you find it the odd buzz lighter. Genius, you solve these challenges before the time's end. Yes, you find it the right answer. Let's see who sharp your brain. Find the odd number within time. Super job, you find the odd camouflage number. Easy level done, medium level start. Can you find the mistake? Find the odd letter Z-I-N. Perfect spot, you find the odd letter. Are you a focus master? Then find the odd hoodie within 10 seconds. Yes, you are a focus master. You find it the odd hoodie. Can you find the odd number before the times end? Good job, you find it the odd number within time. Are you a alphabet spy? Then find the odd letter OPY. Amazing work, this one is the odd letter. Which one does not belong? Find the odd bo peep within 10 seconds. Excellent focus, you find it the odd one. Are you smart? Then find the odd number within time. Yes, you find the odd number within time. Can you solve it on your first try? Yes, you solve it. B is the correct option. Can you crack this vision challenge? Find the odd rack. Yes, you crack this puzzle. You find it the right odd emoji. Test your observation skill. Find the odd number within time. Yes, you did it. You find the odd number. Can you pick the odd letter like E, O, P? Awesome! You pick the odd letter within time. Test your IQ. Find the odd 4 key within 10 seconds. You are a puzzle master. You find it the odd 4 key. Are you smart? Then find a strange number like 400. Excellent! This one is the odd strange number. Letter hunter can spot the odd letter like G, U, H. Yes, you find it like a hunter. Let's see your focus. Find the odd Mrs. Potato. Brilliant eyes. You spot it, the right odd one. Impossible to find the odd number within given time. I know this one impossible, but you find it within time. Can you find the rule breaker letter like T-O-Y? I know you have a sharp eyes. You find the odd rule breaker letter. General knowledge quiz. Which animal is the tallest in the world? Yes, giraffe is the tallest animal in the world. Test your IQ. Find the number 653. Your IQ is very sharp. You find it. Can you spot the odd letter like A-U-R? Yes, you spot the odd letter within time. Can you find the unique number like 289? Perfect spot. You find the unique number within time. Medium level done. Hard level start. Can you find the hidden Mr. Potato within 10 seconds? Yes, you find it, the odd Mr. Potato. Only sharp eyes can find the odd number within 10 seconds. Can you find the odd letter within time? So far you find the odd letter within time. Brain IQ, find the odd number. Challenge puzzle. Can you find the odd letter within time? spot the odd Jesse as quickly as possible. Wow, you quickly find the odd Jesse. Visual Eyes Challenge, find the odd number within 10 seconds. Brain Booster, can you find the odd letter within 10 seconds? Can you find the different number within 10 seconds? The last one, can you solve this math quiz within given time? The right answer give me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Comment your score. How many did you find the odd numbers, letters, emojis and math questions? And subscribe the channel.